Welcome everyone. Today, we're unpacking one of the most well-publicized SAP failures in South African history, Spar Group's $107 million disaster. This is a wake-up call for anyone planning an ERP implementation. Stick around to learn what went wrong, how to avoid the same mistakes, and why hitting that like button could save your company millions. How to avoid data disasters in SAP implementations. How data sank Spar's SAP project. Let's start with the root of Spar's chaos: poor data migration. Their master data was a mess. Incorrect pricing, broken margin calculations, and dashboards so unclear that employees reverted to spreadsheets. Imagine launching a system that makes work harder. That's what happens when you migrate garbage data into SAP. And if you think Spar's alone, think again. Companies like Lidl and Target Canada lost billions from similar mistakes. Want to avoid their fate? Subscribe. We're breaking down the fixes next. Integration breakdowns and testing failures. Spar's SAP couldn't talk to their warehouse systems, causing stock shortages and margin erosion. Worse, they rushed go live without proper testing. Skipping tests is like opening a store with empty shelves. Your customers will notice. Speaking of tests, drop a comment below. Has your company ever rushed an ERP rollout? Now let's talk solutions. How to avoid becoming the next Spar. Here's your survival guide. 1. Clean before you migrate. Audit master data, run mock migrations, and fix errors before cutover. 2. Test every integration. Use tools like the Automate SAP Data API to ensure systems communicate. 3. Train your teams. Assign super users and simulate real workflows to avoid confusion. 4. Monitor post-launch. Monitor data quality and deploy a SWAT team to squash issues fast. Follow these steps and hopefully your SAP project won't end up in the headlines for the wrong reasons. Oh, and if you're finding this helpful, smash that like button. It helps others avoid disasters too. Spar's aftermath and your key takeaway. Spar had to pause rollouts, switch warehouse systems, and absorb massive losses. But their pain doesn't have to be yours. The lesson: data quality plus testing plus change management leads to SAP success.
Before we wrap up, subscribe and hit the bell. We drop frequent short tips to keep your data projects on track. Now, let's recap.
Spar's $107 million failure teaches us 3 things. Dirty data destroys systems. Testing isn't optional. People matter as much as tech. Want more? Like, subscribe, and check out the links below for our data migration checklist. Thanks for watching, stay smart, and avoid those data disasters.